It's fish.
It's fish.
You doing fry or barbecue? Oh, it's fried. Is this the fish goes in here?
Yes.
Ah, okay, so he fries it. Oh, sizzling. Sizzling fried fish. How much? How much?
How much is
Rupees? 6,000! What? You're laughing? That is a funny price. Now, how much for one plate?
$150.
150, that's for one fish or one plate? Okay, my friends, they're eating, they're eating. How many plates? Yeah, how many? 4. 4 plus 3, 5. Okay, 5 plates, 5 plates. Okay, 5 plates, please. Yeah, okay, we will sit. Okay, come. 5, okay. Oh, we'll sit here. Okay, good. 5, yeah. 1 me and 4 friends. Okay.
Afghanistan.
Afghanistan?
Afghanistan.
You? Ah, okay, now you. Hi. Okay.
How are you?
I'm good. I'm in 2 directions. Which one? I'm like this. Oh, lovely. Smells delicious.
Thank you.
So he's made 2 plates already, I think. I don't know if one of those plates is 1 portion. It's huge. It's a huge plate. It's for us?
No. Yeah.
Oh, it's for other customers. We're waiting.
Yes.
Oh, it's popular.
Yes.
Many people coming. Ah, okay. Let's take some drinks. Water we can take. 5 this. Yeah, 5.
Yeah.
Water?
Yeah, 5
Yeah,
water. Yeah, 5 cold waters. 1 for you. 1 for you. 5 plates of delicious smelling fried fish. Oh, you eat with your hands? Okay. Just like we eat with our hands. Fortunately, oh, well, for bread you want? Okay, yeah, bread, good. Yeah, smells good. This is roti, yeah, roti, okay. I have this. I got it last time I went to KFC, a wee hand wipe. Okay, good one, brother, good one. Okay. Yeah. Clean. Okay. Oh, it's all nice and crispy. Oh, look at that. It doesn't look like there's any bones in it, so no bones. I think the bones have already been taken out. Good? Oh wow, it's full of flavor. Really salty as well, right? Really salty. I don't know what type of fish this is, but it's really fatty. And then it's been fried in oil as well, so it just tastes ultra fatty and ultra flavoursome with this marinade and spices on it. Lovely. Roti, yeah. Wants me to eat it with the roti, okay. Okay. It's actually easier to pick it up because it's burning hot. It actually came straight from the fryer. It came straight from the fryer, so. Oh. It's nice and easy to eat. I expected most fish that you buy around Asia, it's kind of like, it has the bones in it. And it's difficult to eat, they get stuck in your mouth, but this is easy. Let's get this bit. Oh, lovely. Oh, this bit has the bone, I think. I think that's bone. That's the first bone that I've bitten into. Yeah, it's bone. Yeah, bone. This is good food. Huh? I got all the meat off it, but it was a big old bone. I'm gonna suck the masala off it. It's so delicious. Oh man. So salty and intensely flavoured.
Two fish.
Oh yeah. Some of these bits they do have bones.
Good.
But, yeah, some of these bits they do have bones, but they're easy. They're big. There's not those small ones that get stuck in your mouth. Lovely. Beautiful. And well cooked. It's cooked properly, so there's no hygiene concerns because even if it was sitting there collected bacteria, all the bacteria has been burned out of it in that frying pan, so it's totally safe to eat. Tastes fresh, tastes delicious. Lovely. Oh, okay. Oh. The flavor. That masala is so strong, it's so intense. Fish, yeah. Fish selfie. Oh, this one. Oh, he said it's getting cold. The food's getting cold, I think he said.
Hey!
Yeah, I know, the food's getting cold. I'm eating it. Oh. Nice and easy to rip these bones off, look. Just like that. That's the bony bit off. And then this, it's all meat. Lovely. Oh. It's good.
Yeah.
I'm making that face because it's good.
Yeah. Selfie.
You're giving up to me? Eat, you need to be strong. Very strong. Eat. You need to grow muscles. Okay, you. Take one, take. Good. Lovely. You enjoy the fish? Yes. Thumbs up for the fish? Good. Thumbs up then, thumbs up. He's not giving it a thumbs up. I think it deserves a thumbs, yeah, it deserves a thumbs up. Fish that delicious deserves a thumbs up.